Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how I'm getting leads and signups into GreatLife Worldwide. Some people are writing to me, asking me what I do. I have done videos on this before, but I thought I'd make another one. And so I'm going to try to keep this short and to the point, okay? So the company that we're working with is GreatLife Worldwide, and this is what their website looks like. Okay, you can join this for $49 for your first month and then $20 each month after. You get a life coach package here that contains all kinds of really great stuff to help you live a happier, healthier, and wealthier life. They also have nutritional products. You can get a personal fitness trainer, financial education, personal chef, tons of audio and ebooks. We have a master martial artist, Reggie Cochran, where you can, sign up and have your own celebrity life coach. There's an elite global women's group as well. All right, so there's all kinds of awesome stuff here. The company, they give back to charities. And what we want to do, all right, when you join, you're going to get a tour page link that looks like this. It has a 4-minute 51-second video here. And then people, you want to drive traffic to this page. And when people come in and watch this video, if they're interested in learning more, they're going to enter their first and last name and an email and click take the free tour now. All right. Now, one cool thing is for $20 a month, you can earn through 12 levels deep without ever enrolling anyone. Okay. And when you join our team, we're going to show you how to enroll at least 3 people so you can earn through 16 levels deep. But what we're going to do, I'm going to try this now. So I'm going to use this whiteboard here on Canva. I'm not very good at writing with my mouse, but we're going to try this out here, okay? So we have Global Life Worldwide, okay? This is our company. The goal is to drive traffic to our tour page that I just showed you. All right, and you can do online traffic, you can do offline traffic. I'm just going to show you what works for me. Okay, let's highlight that. This is what we want to do. Drive traffic to our GreatLife Worldwide tour page. So the first thing that I do is I use Facebook. This is traffic method number 1. All right, and I've done videos on this. But basically, I just have a very clean looking Facebook page. This joinruss.com link goes over to my capture page. All right, I have a pinned post here talking about how I hit platinum in less than 4 days in this company with a link here that goes to my tour page. I have my tour page over here in my bio area. And then basically what I do is I just share different things about GreatLife. Okay, so here's a video I did yesterday. I try to add some positive quotes. Here's a live stream I did. I love to do live streams. Here's another live stream. And then, I'll recognize people who are doing good in the company. Like Mark Seamus here. He ranked up to platinum. More positive quotes. There's my logo again. And I think you get the point, right? Let's say, here's my good friend and business partner, Dave. He ranked up to silver. So I just keep Facebook, my profile clean looking. I add positive posts. I try to keep negative off my Facebook wall. And then what I also do is I will go and I've done another video on this. You can check out my videos. It was a live stream, I believe. It's my success formula. Okay, I'll put the link in the video description. But what I do is I will go into 10 different marketing groups every day and I will post an ad. And then I will I'll find 10 people in a group that has to do with making money online, and I'll send them a message. Okay, that's how I use Facebook. So the next thing I do is I use YouTube. All right. Now, the same thing goes with my YouTube channel. I have my joinruss.com link, which goes over to my tour page. I have joinruss.com down here. And then you can see these are all my live videos I've done recently. But they all have to do with Great Life Worldwide. This is the one right here where I show you how I use Facebook. All right, my success formula. You can go and check that out. And I do videos. Like this is going to be an uploaded video. All right, so I use YouTube. I also have the community where I can leave a post. But YouTube's a great place, folks. You know, if you're afraid to do videos, stop being afraid and just do it. Success lives on the opposite side or the other side of fear. All right? So you got to get over that fear. I used to be scared to death to do videos. Not like this. This is going to be an uploaded video. But as far as live goes, the lives, I used to sweat. I'd be like panicked before I'd have to hop on. And I'd really make myself almost sick over thinking about doing a live. But now that I've done them a lot, they don't bother me at all. Okay? So another thing you can do, and this is what I do. I'm just showing you what I do to build Great Life Worldwide. All right? I use business cards. Biz cards. And I just got mine in from Vistaprint. All right, check this out. All right, I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's what it looks like. It just says joinruss.com. It has my email address on there and my name, and that's it. And wherever I go, I just hand these out or I leave them on the counter or I pin them up on boards, and that's what I do. And there's just enough information on here to pique somebody's interest, right? They see the fancy sports car, and my domain name is easy to remember, joinruss.com. I get my domain names on GoDaddy. That's where I highly recommend you get yours. Just go and see if they have join your first name or join your first and last name. You know, just keep it very simple. But business cards do work. All right, so the next thing I use is my income funnel. I'm going to show you what this is all about. This is a system that's been around for a while. All right, now if you go to watch MIF video, watchmifvideo.com, it'll take you over to this page here with a 21-minute video. This is the multiple income funnel, okay? You can join this for $49 a month. I'm going to log in and show you how this works. Now, when you come in here, you're going to watch this video here and just follow the steps. You know, you set up your income streams, you set up your e-wallet, and you take a tour of the back office. It's super easy to use. When people come into my account, or when they go to that page I just showed you and watch the video and then enter their information to join, this is what they see. All right, so you have income stream number one is obviously the multiple income funnel system. With this, you can earn $20 for each referral. That's paid out monthly. And then they also have a package where you can upgrade to a yearly plan, which is what I did. And then when you have people join under you at the yearly level, you make $200 commissions, okay? And I just did a video the other day where I showed I made, what was it? Almost $300 with this, just with this system alone, okay? So this system really works, but this is income stream number one. Income stream number two, I have Great Life Worldwide. And this is a video that we have here. So they can come watch this. They'll see that, you know, brand new 2024, awesome lifestyle products with unlimited depth compensation. They click here, it takes them over to my tour page where they can join. Income stream number three is classified submissions. I've been with this company for many years, and I like the company. I like what they do. I like the owner. Matthew May, and what they do is they'll take your ad and they'll post it on thousands of different classified sites online every month for you. Okay, there's a monthly package, a quarterly package, and a yearly package. Now I sold a yearly. I had somebody join the other day, multiple income funnel. They joined at the yearly level. I made a $200 commission there. Then they went on and got a yearly subscription to classified submissions where I earned another 98 bucks. But here's a video that explains it. Then they can click here to go over and buy a package. Income stream number 4 is traffic authority. All right. And this is set up. This is just what people will see when, you can see that. This is the page your downline will see. But you click here to join that, enter your traffic authority username, and click save. And this has all kinds of different click packages, okay? Then there's also a bonus income, and this is my 5th, actually I got to get back out of here. This is my 5th income stream that I use. I guess I got to go back here, let me see. All right, it's my lead gen secret. So, my lead gen secret. Okay. Now with my lead gen secret, there's links below all this in the video. You can go to 100leadseveryday.com. It'll take you over to this page where this video, this 8-minute and 46-second video explains how all this works. What you get is you get 100 fresh BizOp leads every single day for $1 a day. So you can join this for $30 a month. Now, if you refer somebody to the program, they're going to give you an additional 100 bonus leads every day. So it's possible that you come into this, you refer someone your first day, and at the end of your first month, you're going to have 6,000 leads that you can email every 24 hours within this system. All right, you don't have to worry about canned spam or anything like that. It's all taken care of for you. So I love this. I love my lead gen secret. It's just another way to get eyeballs onto your capture page, and it's really affordable, okay? So that is what I do each and every day to build my GreatLife Worldwide business, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down below in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also reach out to me on Facebook. My handle on Facebook is @RussFi. Send me a friend request and send me a message letting me know that you're trying to reach out to me regarding GreatLife Worldwide, and I'll be more than happy to help you. I have links for multiple income funnel below and for my lead gen secret below. And, I get my biz cards on Vistaprint. I think I paid like 60 bucks for 500 of these. That was including shipping. All right, they're not the highest quality card, but you can get them even cheaper. Actually, I got the rounded corners and I got the gloss finish. But yeah, that's all I do, folks. I mean, I'm just going on Facebook, YouTube. I hand out business cards. I use the multiple income funnel. You can earn over $5,000 on one sale with the multiple income funnel. Okay, so it's a great system to use. If I didn't have that in place, I just signed up for it a few days ago. If I didn't have that in place, I wouldn't have made $300 additional the other day on top of what I'm earning in GreatLife Worldwide. Okay, and then I use my lead gen secret. So that's all the traffic sources that I use to go to my capture page that looks just like this. Okay. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.